All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a quick update on my car here. As you can tell, I've been working on the front bumper a little bit. Put me a Cobra, old 03 Cobra bumper on. Getting it fitted up. I've been working on it for the last day or two, off and on. Nowhere near being getting done with it. But I pretty much cut this bumper down about 2 inches. And the Cobra bumper, I pretty much adjusted it. You can put it at whatever height you want. I pretty much took my truck, pulled my trailer up here because I'm gonna be putting it on the trailer a lot, and I got it high enough to where it won't be dragging every time I put it upon the truck, on the trailer. I put them two things together. I use screws to put it together, and use this to clean it. This right here is the actual glue. If you decide y'all guys want to do any of this stuff, get the quick set 180 because this stuff sets up fast. But these are the screws I use, just regular self-tapping screws. When I fill them holes up, I use this stuff right here to come back and fill the screw holes up. And I put this mesh on the inside where the screw holes was to help hold it out. And then I got this stuff right here. It works just like Bondo. Just put you some out and put the activator with it and go with it. But I think it's going to turn out all right. Everybody might not like it, but I didn't want to hack up the LS bumper because that grill right there, it'd be exposed out from under it. And this right here sits all in there nice and pretty, can't even tell it. But anyway, I'm gonna do a little quick video just to show you what I was up against. Also, I'm taking it back to the dyno on Monday. I don't know if you guys saw my other videos, but it had a miss in it at about 5,500. And I got a trigger I'm gonna put on, a crank trigger. And the guy told me, I never messed with one of them, but the guy told me, he said you could rev it, as high as you wanted to rev it, and it should be fine. But there's my fog lights for the 03 Cobra, and there's the inserts. But if you guys want to keep up and follow along and see how it turns out, I've already got my lights. I'll put them in before too long. If you guys want to keep up with it, like and subscribe, leave me some comments, tell me what you think. I don't know if there'll be any haters about doing the bumper like this, but I think it looks pretty cool myself. If I want to look at an LX bumper, I'll go look at one of my other cars. But anyway, all right, you guys take it easy, like, subscribe, make a comment. Later.